to Kenyans was hot air and nothing but cheap propaganda. Do you still believe that the government and that G2G deal is a grand scam? Elaborate and maybe offer a response to what the leaders had to say over your dossier.
Well, I don't know that those people who responded had an opportunity to read what I'd said, because it was a very comprehensive statement which gave clear facts, and I challenged the government to contradict what I'd said. These other ones basically just talk and say hot air. I don't know which hot air, where that guy is coming from. And this is supposed to be majority leader of government. I think, the matter was directed at the executive, not at the legislature. So it is not work of Mr. Ichungwah to respond. I directed it to specific people. But be that as it may, we'll show him some political etiquette. The issues are raised, and they're still valid. I want the government to show the memorandum of understanding that they've signed between the government of the Republic of Kenya and the government of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the government of the United Arab Emirates. Not signed between the Minister for Energy and the CEO of Aramco, just a company. That G2G, because they call this G2G. G2G means that it's an agreement between those governments and Kenya government. Let us see that MOU. Two, let them also show us tax returns, which as a result of this importation of this oil, how much tax has been paid by these companies, these shadowy companies that have been appointed to handle this cargo, this deal. Okay?